Markets are here. So I'm on Binance.com, the exchange, right? Exchange the world. So pretty much this competition is going to start. It's free simulated trading competition. So you don't have to pay no taxes. It's all fake money. It's definitely it's part of Binance new DEX exchange, right? Decentralized exchange. I think pretty much they're going to be launching soon. So they want to get people started with the competition, right? So just click on that, and then this tab is going to open. It's going to say Binance DEX simulated trading competition. Test your strategies to win 10,000 BNB, right? So you can test your trading skills, get better, and then not only that, you can win a prize if you become really, really good, right? So this is the article. This was 5 days ago. So read through it so you guys could completely understand how this works. So I'm not going to take the time to do that right now, but I'm just going to select the Binance DEX, or at least set up my account, create my wallet, so I can at least see the experience of the Binance DEX and see what it has to offer. So with that said, guys, we're going to do that in the next step in the next video. So we're back on the Binance DEX here. So let's go ahead and create the wallet. So that's the first step here. So it says create a new wallet, unlock a wallet, transfer assets, and place orders, right? So let's do the first step now, so we can easily get started with this. So let's go. Got to hit go. So hit go. Wallets creation tutorial. Binance is committed in providing you with the best and safest experience on the Binance chain. And you read the full terms and condition there. So skip tutorial, says not recommended. So just go through the steps here. Keeping your funds. You are solely responsible for keeping your funds. No one else, not even Binance, can help you recover your wallet if you lose it. So definitely read through this, and this is very, very critical information here. So read through that. I kind of know what to expect. So I already kind of know what's going on here. So key store file plus your password. You can think of the key store file like a user ID, while the password unlocks your wallet, right? So both are needed to access your wallet. So keep them safe. This is required format on Binance. In a mimic phrase right here, you're going to have to write your words down, so because it's part of your recovery process if you lose your password. So skip through that. Private key, already know what all this stuff is. Just read through it. I understand all this. And then let's go ahead and create the test net on my wallet. So key store plus password. So I'm gonna put my password here. Okay, got my password, and then re-enter my password here. So everything is good. I understand that Binance cannot recover or reset my password, a key store file. So download key store file here, which I'm downloading. And let's get started with this, man. I'm very, very excited. I've been waiting for this. Web page is slowing down your browser, so let's just go through. What should Firefox do with this file? I'm gonna go ahead and save my file because I don't want you guys to see it. So that is saved. I'm gonna hit continue. Choose secondary assets, back up the text below on paper and keep it somewhere safe. So I'm gonna just go ahead and copy all this, and then put it in my thought I had it down there. So let me open this up, guys. Editor. So there we go. Here, paste that down, continue. I can view my private key, but I don't need to because I got the key store file. Are you sure you have noted down your phrase right here? So yes, always keep this safe. This is very, very critical. Even though I'm going through this, because like I said, I've done this like 100 times already. And plus this is just a test just to show you guys how to get started with this. But this is very, very critical, right? Write this stuff down. Even though this is a test net, still just, just get in the habit of keeping things safe. So I'm gonna hit yes. It's saying, okay, so please select the memory phrase in correct order to ensure copy is correct. So I need to put this in the correct order, right? Continue. You're all set. You're ready to use the Binance Chain wallet and decentralized exchange. Unlock my wallet. So saying upload my key store file, or I can paste it, and then I'll have to enter my password here. So I just downloaded this. So this is my key store. Hit open. So I got the green check mark there. I'm gonna enter my password. Unlock my wallet. Don't save. And we're almost done here. So let that load up. If you guys probably got lost, got stuck in that, rewatch this video. You know, it could get confusing at first, especially if you're new, if you're a beginner and stuff like that. So just take your time, rewatch this video, go through all the steps, and I got confident in you that you can do this. So this is the Binance DEX. This is what it looks like. It's kind of similar to, you know, Binance original exchange, but this is decentralized. So pretty much this is the setup, just like that. I'm gonna do another video just how to actually operate this and see what the next steps are, so you guys can you know, be prepared and start to trade on the new Binance decentralized exchange. So very excited. And with that said, give this video a thumbs up, smash that that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this with your friends and family, right? This is very good to learn if you're trying to get into anything, right? Stocks, bonds, any type of markets, Forex. This applies to you as well, because like I said, this is like a simulated trading exchange, so you can use pretty much paper money so you can get better as a trader to test your ideas and strategies, right? That's all it is, pretty much in a nutshell. So yeah, guys, Marcus R. I'm out.